Well, hello there. I am at the Grafton Ferry Landing. I have the CROSBY Express, just over 2 miles. I'm a little early to make this intro, but I'm going to take my time here and get ready, maybe try to get some real audio. Sitting at the Grafton Ferry Landing, it's kind of quiet out here right now, and actually the wind is fairly light. Got the Andrew Caneva or Canava heading up the Illinois River by the looks of it. There at Grafton, and back you got the Vanguard. I don't know where that one's headed, but this one I've never done before. I like that boat name, huh? Private boat, original gangster. But anyhow, people ask me what is this app I'm using here. Just might want to mention that real quick. This is Boat Beacon, and I have it hooked to this box. And I got it under the seat here. This box here, it's a receiver, and I have an antenna outside. So anyhow, you can figure out how to make one on your own, or you can, I think you can buy them. But that one is just, this here is just real time AIS. And I'm running, like I said, running an antenna on the car. So, and it also gives me my GPS and where I'm at. So it shows the mile rings, and it's at, the CROSBY is at just at 2 miles. So anyway, thanks for watching, guys. I do appreciate it. And please subscribe. Hopefully I get some real audio on this one. And I'll try to catch up on comments. Thanks.